Hello, hello, good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Pa-thumbs up or heart reaction naman po kung loud and clear ang boses ni trainer. Loud and clear po ba? Okay, so loud and clear din naman. Now, bago po tayo mag-start, para po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-fill out ng kanilang attendance, kindly fill out your attendance form na sinend ko rin naman na po sa atin pong chat box. At para po sa mga wala pa sa atin pong MS Team GC, pasok na po tayo sa atin pong MS Teams para po maging updated tayo sa magiging updates po natin for this week. At para po sa mga hindi po nakapag-attend ng ating klase kahapon, uploaded na po sa ating class recording link si Day 6. Pwede nyo na po itong ma-access, ma-download at mapanood kapag may free time po tayo. Okay? Now everyone, welcome back po sa atin pong English Language Proficiency Training Week 2 Day 7. Ako nga po pala ulit si Trainer AJ na makakasama po natin for this week. Now, kahapon, sa mga hindi po nakapag-attend ng ating klase kahapon, recap lamang po tayo sa mga nangyari noong week 1. Sa week 1, online bookkeeping training using QuickBooks, napag-usapan po natin si Introduction to QuickBooks, Navigating QuickBooks, QuickBooks Online versus QuickBooks Desktop, Chart of Accounts, Invoicing, and Receivables. Napag-usapan din naman po natin dito si Payables and Expenses, Reports and Analysis, and Tax Compliance. For week 2, ang focus po natin sa week 2 is your English language proficiency training. Sa week 2, ipapractice po natin yung inyong pronunciation at pati po yung inyong grammar. So dito po magkakaroon po tayo ng mga reading practices. So make sure na naka-open po or so make sure na naka-accessible yung inyo pong mga microphones. Okay? But for now, pa-turn off po muna yung mga microphones po natin. Mamaya magkakaroon po tayo ng mga reading practices. So make sure na gumagana po yung mga microphones po natin para po makapag-participate po tayo sa ating reading practices din naman. Kapag natapos na po natin si week 2, ika-continue po natin yung inyong napag-usapan noong week 1. Kung ano man yung napag-usapan nyo noong week 1, ika-continue nyo po ito sa week 3. But for now, for this week, ang focus lamang po natin ay practicein ang inyong pronunciation at inyo pong grammar. Okay? Kahapon, nag-focus po tayo sa pag-pronounce ng inyong mga vowel sounds, monophthongs, and diphthongs. For day 7, focus pa rin po natin si pronunciation pero ito ay nakafocus sa inyong consonant sounds, voice, at voiceless consonants. Now, bago tayo mag-proceed, kindly turn off your microphones to avoid noise and distractions po sa atin pong mga participants. If you have any concerns, questions, or clarifications, you can message me din naman po sa atin pong chat box. Now, for the objective for today is to be familiar with the consonant sounds and to practice the different consonant sounds. Now, familiar pa po ba kayo sa kung ano yung mga consonants po natin? Kung natatandaan po ninyo, ano-ano na nga po yung mga consonants po natin? In 1 minute, ano-ano po yung mga consonants po natin? Type your answers in 1 minute. Go po. Okay, so ito ay A, E, I, O, U, all the alphabet except A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so good job with that. Basically, pag sinabi po natin na consonant, ito po yung mga letters except A, E, I, O, U. 'Di ba? Now, ano po ba ang ibig sabihin kapag sinabi natin consonant sound? A consonant sound is a type of speech sound that is produced by blocking or restricting airflow in some way using the lips, tongue, teeth, or vocal cords. Unlike vowel sounds, which are made with an open vocal tract, consonant sounds involve some form of obstruction that shapes the sound. So kung kahapon, si ating vowel sounds is an open vocal tract which is a, e, i, o, Ang ating consonant sound ay ginagamitan natin ng lips, ng tongue, ng teeth, ng vocal cords para makaproduce po tayo ng consonant sound. Now, kung ang ating vowels ay mayroong 20 vowel sounds, ilan naman po ang ating consonant sound? Sige nga, kung ang ating vowels ay mayroong 20 sounds, ilan naman po ang ating consonant sounds? Alright, so we have 24, 24. Majority ng sagot, 24. Okay, so ang tamang sagot dito, everyone, is we have 24 consonant sounds. Some consonants have voice from the voice box and some don't. These consonants are voiced and voiceless. So sa ating consonant sounds, meron po tayong dalawang klase. Meron tayong tinatawag na voiced at voiceless consonants. For example, pag sinabi po natin na voice consonants, ilagay lang po natin yung dalawang daliri natin dito sa ating throat at bigkasin po natin yung sound ni letter B. Ano yung sound ni letter B? B, B, B. How about letter D? D, D, D. How about letter R? R. 'Di ba? So ano po yung napansin ninyo? Ito ay nagki-create ng vibration. Kapag ang ating consonant sound ay nagke-create ng vibration, ang tawag po natin dito is voiced consonants. Now, gaya nga po ng sinabi ko kanina, magkakaroon po tayo dito ng mga reading practices. So, please standby po tayo dito. Sarah, Rovip, Rosalie, Rodamay, Mina, Melo, Martin, Maribeth, Maria Teresa, Mark, Madeline. Standby po tayo. So, dito po, ako po muna yung uuna na magbabasa. Then after that, tatawagin ko po kayo isa-isa. So, ang way ng pagbasa natin dito, uunahin po natin yung word, then the sentence, word, sentence, word, sentence hanggang sa matapos po natin. Okay? Now, let's start with voice consonant letter B. Ang sound nito ay B, B, B. For example, bat. The bat flew over the fence. Cab. The cab arrived on time. Ball. He kicked the ball into the goal. Noble. The noble knight saved the day. Bus. I caught the bus this morning. Book. She read the book before bed. Now may I call Sarah? Kindly open your microphone in 3, 2, 1.
Bat, the bat flew over the fence. Cub, the cub arrived on time. Ball, he kicked the ball into the goal. Novel, the novel knight saved the day. Bus, I caught the bus this morning. Book, she read the book before bed.
Alright, good job with that. So yan din naman po si voice consonant letter B. Before we proceed, ang pronunciation po natin dito is read. She read the book before bed. Next, let's proceed sa ating voice consonant letter D. Ang sound dito ay D, D, D. For example, ladder. I climbed the ladder to the roof. Sandal. He wore a pair of sandals to the beach. Paddle. The paddle broke during the trip. Window. She opened the window for fresh air. Candle. We lit the candle for dinner. Middle. The boat. The boat is in the middle of the lake. Now may I call Rovip? Rovi, kindly open your mic in 3, 2, 1. Again, may I call Rovi? Kindly open your mic in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I guess hindi siya available. Ayan, Rovi.
Ah, yes, yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Meron po bang naka-open na, wait lang, i-mute muna kita. Meron po bang naka-open na another device? Kung meron pong naka-open, paki-turn off po ng isang device na ginagamit natin kasi nagkakaroon po tayo ng echo. Okay? Kapag dalawa yung device na ginagamit po natin, kapag mag-on tayo ng atin pong microphone, nagkakaroon yan ng echo. So, kung dalawang device ang ginagamit natin, paki-turn off po ng isang device na ginagamit po natin. Okay? Ayan. So, balikan ko na lang po si Rovi. Mamaya, next, may I call naman si Rosalie. Okay, again, tawagin na lang muna kita mamaya, Rovi. May I call po muna si Rosalie. Rosalie, kindly open your mic.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes po, you may start.
Okay. Ladder. I climbed the ladder to the roof. Sandal. He wore a pair of sandals to the beach. Paddle. The paddle broke during the trip. Window. She opened the window for fresh air. Candle. We lit, we lit the candle for dinner. Middle. The boat is in the middle of the lake.
Okay, good job with that. Yan din naman po si voiced consonant letter D. Next tayo sa voiced consonant letter G. Ang sound po nito ay G, G, G. For example, go. Let's go to the beach. Garden. They planted flowers in the garden. Flag. The flag flew in the wind. Rug. The cat sleeps on the rug. Great. It was a great experience. Guitar. She played the guitar beautifully. Now may I call Rovelyn? Kindly open your microphone in 3, 2, 1. Again, may I call
Hello? Hello po.
Yes, you may start.
Yes po. Hello po. Naririnig niyo pa ako?
Yes, loud and clear. You may start.
Hello po. Hello?
Ayan, naririnig mo ba ako, Rovelyn? Loud and clear ba?
Yes po, naririnig.
Ayan, so loud and
Yes.
clear ka din naman. Okay? So you may start.
Go. Let's go to the beach. Garden. They planted flowers in the garden. Flag. The flag flew in the wind. Rug. The cat sleeps on the rug. Great. It was a great experience. Guitar. She played the guitar beautifully.
All right, good job with that. Now, before we proceed, let's just practice some words. Ayan, so careful po tayo minsan sa pag-pronounce din naman ng mga words. Ayan, so this is beach. Beach. Okay? Beach. Yung sorry, yung pronunciation natin is ganito, beach. Okay? Next, ito ay flew. Flew. The flag flew in the wind. Flew. Ganon. Alright? So that is voice consonant letter G. Next, voiced consonant letter V. Ang sound nito ay V. For example, van. The van is parked outside. Voice. She has a beautiful voice. Move. They need to move to a bigger house. Covey. A small covey of quails flew by. Video. I watched a funny video yesterday. Vote. He cast his vote in the election. Now may I call Mina? Mina, kindly open your mic in 3, 2, 1.
Van, voice, move, covey, video,
Hello
vote.
po.
The van is parked outside. She has a beautiful voice. They need to move to a bigger house. A small covey of quails flew by. I watched a funny video yesterday. He cast his vote in the election.
All right, good job with that. Next tayo sa voice consonants, letter Z. Ang sound ni letter Z ay Z. For example, zero. The zero temperature made it cold. Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Buzz. I heard a buzz in the room. Zone. The store is in a new zone. Jazz. You need to listen to jazz music. Easy. It's easy to learn this language. Now may I call Rhoda May? Kindly open your mic in 3, 2, 1.
Zero. The zero temperature made it cold. Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Buzz. I heard a buzz in the room. Zone. The store is in a new zone. Jazz. You need to listen to jazz music. Easy. It's easy to learn this language.
All right, good job with that. Next, voiced consonant ZH sound. So pag pinag-combine natin yung sound ni letter Z at ni letter H, we have J, J, J. For example, measure. Please measure the length of the table. Treasure. They found hidden treasure on the island. Leisure. She enjoys her leisure time on weekends. Decision. The decision was made after careful thought. Vision. The doctor had great vision. Collision. The car had a minor collision. So ito ay hindi measure, treasure, leisure, decision, vision, collision. Mali po yon. Ang tamang pronunciation ay may j sound. Okay? Measure, treasure, leisure, decision, vision, collision. Now may I call Martin? Kindly open your mic in 3, 2, 1.
Measure. Please measure the length of the table. Treasure. They found hidden treasure on the island. Leisure. She enjoys her leisure time on weekends. Decision. The decision was made after careful thought. Vision. The doctor had great vision. Collision. The car had a minor collision.
Okay, good job with that. Next tayo sa voiceless consonants. Pag sinabi nating voiceless consonants, ilagay po natin ulit yung ating dalawang dalira dito sa ating throat at bigkasin natin yung sound ni letter F. Ano yung sound ni letter F? How about yung sound ni letter P? Sound ni letter H? So ano yung na-notice nyo? Hindi ito nagke-create ng vibration. Kapag si consonant sound ay hindi nag-create ng vibration, ang tawag po natin dito ay voiceless consonants. For example, voiceless consonant letter P. Ang sound nito is p, p, p. For example, happy. She feels happy today. Apple. I ate an apple for breakfast. Lamp. The lamp is on the table. Map. The map shows the way to the park. Sleep. He couldn't sleep last night. Grape. We bought some fresh grape from the market. Now may I call Maribeth? Kindly open your mic in 3, 2, 1. Again, may I call Maribeth?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, loud and clear. You may start.
Sorry about that. I got a technical issue. Okay, happy. She feels happy today. Apple. I ate an apple for breakfast. Lamp. The lamp is on the table. Map. The map shows the way to the park. Sleep. He couldn't sleep last night. Grape. We bought some fresh grape from the market.
All right, good job with that. Yan din naman si voiceless consonant, letter P.
Where's the other one? Like, sit down. Dude. What's happening? Beach. Food. 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 Come on. Something like this.
All right, everyone. So sorry for that for a minute. Ayan, so yan din naman po ang ating voiceless consonant. Now, para po kay para po kay Maribeth, paki-mute po ng atin pong microphone. Para po kay Maribeth, paki-mute ng atin pong microphone. Kasi naririnig po yung boses ni Tito, okay? Alright, so yan din naman po si voiceless consonant, letter P. Now, before we proceed, just for a minute po.
Well, this dumpster of the year. Mom! Si Cassandra!
Pinakain.
Wag to!
Sorry. I-screenshot atin mo yan. Tapos Facebook.
Ala na.
Sabi na ko ako ang sabi. Pagkaan ito? What did you buy for snacks?
One egg, one corn dog.
One egg, one corn dog. Like a whole egg and a whole corn dog.
Yes.
Oh, that's delicious. That's nutritious as well. So it's better you buy food. Where in the canteen or outside? Where? May biscuit ka. And you left like 10 peso? Peso. Kasi naman yung peso. i-pronounce ko no ang beach dahil beach nga nasa like along the beach. Ang beach na B-E-A-C-H.
Beach. Let's go to the beach.
Beach. Yeah, ang beach na kanang like bad na beach. Same ra.
Beach.
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 You're a bitch. Bitch and
Excuse me?
bitch.
Excuse me, I'm not. What is that? Fish.
I told you, wala lagi na load.
Oh, they bow.
Pwede man ti kaloadan day. Matuog man gud kag alas 3 sa kadlawon, my god. Ayun na lang gud pag-load. Ayun na lang gud day. Kung dako na ka day, like, panali ko yan mo magpa-load because of kanang online class, something like that, for research. Go! Pero mag-online na kasi yung Roblox. No. No, 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 no. Hala, I think.
We're taken. No.
Wala lagi na. Don't force, don't pressure yourself because I told you in the very beginning that there is no detail load. But since I already loaded my phone from my PM, so it's a waste na magkuhan pa ko ang so, uwi na lang dahil mag-PA na ko. Magpataod-taod.
Ayan, so everyone, sorry for that. Pa-thumbs up or heart reaction naman po ulit kung loud and clear ang boses po ni trainer. Loud and clear po ba? Ayan, so loud and clear din naman. So yung last po na nag-open kanina ng kanyang microphone is si Maribeth. Nandito pa rin po ba si Maribeth? Maribeth Butihen?
Yes, ma'am. It has been unmute.
Naka-unmute kayo? Pero naririnig po namin yung boses niyo po.
Really?
Nakalabas ko na akong laptop. Connection is unstable na po. Nagkuan na po ka. Nag-connect na po ka.
I'm not that. I'm hearing something saying in another language, but I'm not that.
Ay, sige. Sorry for that. So everyone, again, paki-turn off po ng mga microphones po natin kung sino man yung naka-turn on. Kasi hindi rin po namin ma-detect kung sino dito sa atin pong line, kung sino yung naka-open yung kanilang mga microphone. So again, everyone, paki-turn off po ng mga microphones po natin. Alright, so meron pa rin naririnig kasi dito sa line. I'm so sorry. Ayan, so ayan na lang. So, continue na lang po natin ulit. So, para po again, kung hindi po tayo tinawag ni trainer para magsalita, make sure na naka-turn off po yung mga lines din naman po natin. Kung dalawa yung ginagamit po natin na account na nandito, make sure po na yung isang account po natin is naka-turn off. Okay? So, kailangan, kung papasok po tayo dito, kailangan isang account lang yung ginagamit po natin para hindi po tayo nagkakaroon ng ganitong mga klaseng issue. Alright? Ayan. So, dito din naman, let's proceed po sa ating voiceless consonant, letter K. Ang sound ng ating letter K dito is, for example, check. Please check your email for the update. Clock. The clock shows it's time to go. Quick. He finished the task quickly. Back. She turned back after forgetting her phone. Black. The black cat ran across the street. Book. I borrowed the book from the library. Now, may I call din naman po dito si Maria Teresa. Kindly open your microphone in 3, 2, 1.
Please check your email for the update. The clock shows it's time to go. Quick, he finished the task quickly. She turned back after forgetting her phone. The black cat ran across the street. Book, I borrowed a book from the library.
Okay, good job with that, Maria Teresa. Yan din naman po si voiceless consonant letter K. Ayan, so everyone, dito din naman po sa ating training, 6:33, i-end ko po, mag-leave meeting po tayong lahat. Ang gagawin natin dito, leave meeting po tayong lahat. Kapag nag-leave po tayo, 6:35, balik po tayo, okay? Para maayos po natin yung issue natin dito. Don't worry kasi, nakasave pa rin din naman po yung recording natin, okay? So again, everyone, lahat po tayo mag-leave ngayon sa atin pong training. Okay, leave po tayong lahat.